good evening. I am Faisal Masood and you are watching FM News International. Let's have a look on today's headlines.
As the sacred festival of Eid al-Adha approaches, preparations are in full swing across the country. In a unique initiative, Mr. Chaudhary Atur Rahmanjat and his friends have launched a special cattle bazaar in Islamabad, bringing a vibrant touch of Punjab's culture to the heart of the nation. Our correspondent has more on this special report. Eid al-Adha, also known as the Festival of Sacrifice, commemorates the willingness of Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salam to sacrifice his son in obedience to Allah's command. Today's event highlighted the true meaning of this sacred occasion: compassion, obedience, and unity. In a unique initiative, Mr. Chaudhary Atur Rahmanjat and his friends have launched a special cattle bazaar in Islamabad, bringing a vibrant touch of Punjab's culture to the heart of the nation. Our correspondent has more on this special report.
The Pakistan is one of the country who celebrate this Eid just like an event, and all over the world, even in Saudi, not like this.
Almost 42 cattle farms are here, right?
Yeah.
And I think it's a very big event for family. They can come with their family and they can enjoy the event. They can see the different varieties of bull and different varieties of cows. And here we are. So.
My name is Usman. I am representing Gulf Cattle Farm. It's located in Lok Bazar, Hyderabad. Today we are here on the inauguration of I-12 Mandi. It's the biggest cattle mandi of Queen City. And mashallah, then you can see all breeds of Punjab, Fatehjang, bulls and also goats and sheep. It's a great event today. We are here to represent Gulf Cattle Farm. People do come here from Islamabad and they will get good rates.
Sir, you just mentioned about the regions of Pakistan, especially the Punjab, but you did not mention the region's name. Because Punjab is a big province of Pakistan, so how many provinces are going to participate in this event?
There are all provinces breeds come here, mostly Sahiwal breed and Fatehjang breed is most common and popular in Pakistan.
So how many stalls are there? It's the first bazaar of cattle bazaar in Islamabad.
It's uncountable. Like I have just reached an hour before an hour and it's a huge quantity of bulls and people are coming over and mashallah is going good.
The one of famous breed in all over the Pakistan, not all over the Pakistan, even Indo-Pak. Even in India, this is the one of famous breed. And unfortunately, it's in bad luck, our livestock not promote this breed. So we're trying all our best to protect this breed. Our cattle farm, almost there are more than 100 cattle farm now in Islamabad and around.
Sir, what about the height of this cattle?
Height almost 6 feet. I'll put a 6 feet only for this special. They are aggressive, they are beautiful.
Okay.
And this bloodline is one of the famous bloodline in the world.
So what is the major difference between your breed and I mean this cattle breed and other regions of Pakistan breed? You just mentioned about the Indians breed and
Every land they have own breed.
okay.
This breed is only belongs to Patwar, from Chakwal to Fatehjang. And this breed is, you can say, is one of the famous, one of the beautiful breed. You can see the colors.
Yeah, it's a
White color is only his famous due to his beauty and his aggressiveness.
Sir, how much the price of one
Price
cattle?
is variable. Price is variable. It's like Armani showrooms.
So how much this one?
This one, we are demanding 20 and 70. This one almost 2 million.
2 million.
2 million rupees.
So all are equals in age, like
Not all equal. They are, it's about 2 years, 2.5 years, 3 years like this.
okay.
So you see the shoulder? You
So
see
I
the
can
shoulder?
yeah, I can see, sir. It's a very these are all very healthy cattle and from Fatehjang,
Yeah.
region of Fatehjang.
My name is Dr. Sohail and I'm a farmer for the last 15 years. And Alhamdulillah, this is the biggest mandi of Twin Cities, I-12 mandi. And we are celebrating our BVFE tents opening today. And this is a holy festival, and Pakistan is one of the leading countries who is celebrating Eid al-Adha like a festival. You know, we have decorated this street with lights just like a wedding. And we are encouraging the families to come here and visit. And this is a family gala. So this is a request for all families that come and visit this street. This family gala is for you.
Sir, thank you so much.